Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about embedded systems hardware overview. So let's start. First, let's see what we are going to cover in this video. First, we will introduce you to embedded systems. Then we will talk about two main elements in the embedded system like hardware and software. Then we will discuss about the basic structure of the embedded system. Then we will move to system-based embedded systems like microcontrollers and microprocessors. Then we will go to peripheral devices like all the ranges of the peripheral devices. We will discuss few of them. Then we will go to conclusion of this video. So let's start. Introduction. As its name suggests, embedded means something that is attached to another thing. An embedded system can be thought as a computer hardware system having software embedded in it. An embedded system can be an independent system or it can be a part of a large system. It offers many benefits such as sophisticated control, precision timing, low unit cost, low development cost, high flexibility, small size, and low weight. Now, elements of the embedded systems. First, let's talk about hardware element. As with any electronic system, an embedded system requires a hardware platform on which it can run. Now, let's talk about the software. The embedded system software is written to perform a particular function on a platform. Now, let's talk about the basic structure of an embedded system. So here's the basic structure of an embedded system. First, the sensor sends the data and sends it to memory and analog to digital converter. From there, the analog to digital converter converts the analog signal into the digital signal and sends it to memory and processor and ISC. The processor and ISC processes the data and measures the data. From there, it sends the output into the memory and digital to analog converter. There, digital to analog converter converts the digital signal into analog signal and sends it to actuator, where the actuator performs a certain task of which it was assigned. Now let's talk about the microcontroller based system. A microcontroller is essentially a CPU, central processor unit, or processor with integrated memory or peripheral device. Fewer internal components are indeed needed. Embedded systems using microcontrollers tends to be more widely used. Here's a diagram from which we can understand the microcontroller based systems components: CPU, RAM, ROM, input-output ports, timer, and serial communication ports. Now, we will talk about the peripheral devices in the embedded system. As we know, there's a large range of peripheral devices for embedded system. Let's talk about few of them. First, serial communication interface serial communication interface SCI. Then network like Ethernet, multimedia cards, synchronous serial communication interface, universal bus, general purpose input output, analog to digital and digital to analog devices. Now let's move on to conclusion. A recent interest in hardware and software code design is a step in the right direction as it permits trade-off between hardware and software. They are critical for more cost-effective embedded systems. However, to be successful, future tools may well need to increase scope even further to include life cycle issues and business issues. So that's all from my side. Thank you.